This is your sign to make your employee training and onboarding videos more engaging, and here's how. Traditional training methods such as lengthy manuals and endless presentations often fail to capture the attention of new employees. Instead, videos using quizzes and scenarios can make employee training more engaging. Make sure that your videos are tailored to different roles and learning styles. Generic, vague videos just won't get the job done. Consider using shorter, more focused videos that can help explain specific tasks or concepts. This will help the employees retain more information. Company culture plays a big role in the work environment. Create videos to introduce company culture and your company values to new hires. The great thing about video training is that videos can be accessed anytime, anywhere, providing flexibility for both trainers and employees. Make sure to provide the videos in a place where employees can access them for continuous learning. Some video examples that you could create include interactive training modules, scenario-based training, product demonstrations, compliance and safety training, and FAQ and troubleshooting guides. Videos that combine engaging visuals, high-quality audio, and interactive elements will be a huge success when it comes to employee training and onboarding. And when it comes to making the actual videos, tools like Genny provide all-in-one solutions that simplify the entire video production process. With Genny's suite of AI-powered editing tools and features, you can create your script with the assistance of its AI scriptwriter, edit and perfect your video, add natural-sounding, high-quality AI voiceovers, boost engagement and accessibility with subtitles, and export in full HD. Don't let your employees read through boring, monotonous training manuals. Take your employee training a step further by creating videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future tips.